Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to present anatomical terminology part 2. This video contains different planes and terms which is used in anatomy like superior, proximal, distal, medial, lateral, inferior, deep, posterior, dorsal, palmar, plantar, etc. We see planes of body. What are the different plane which is used in description of organ or parts? Planes are imaginary flat surface that are used to divide the body or organs into definite areas and include mid-sagittal, divides the body into right and left half; sagittal plane, any plane parallel to the median plane, may be right or left side; frontal or coronal, a vertical plane that at right angle to median plane; transverse plane, a plane at right angle to a vertical plane; horizontal plane, a plane parallel to the ground; oblique plane, a plane divides the body at an angle between the horizontal plane and vertical plane. Sections are flat surface resulting from cuts through body structure. They are named according to the plane on which cut is made and include transverse, frontal and mid-sagittal. So this is the different plane which is used for description of anatomical part or region, and this plane are imaginary line. You see in this diagram coronal or frontal plane, horizontal, axial or transverse plane, sagittal or longitudinal plane, median plane, parasagittal plane, which is denoted by different colors. You also see different plane like coronal plane, superior, horizontal or transverse plane, inferior, median plane, lateral plane, sagittal plane, etc. In this diagram, you see cranial or superior end, caudal end or inferior end. Location and relationship. Directional terms are used to precisely locate one part of the body relative to another and to reduce length of explanations, superior, cephalic, cranial, etc. Inferior, caudal; anterior, ventral or dorsal; posterior, dorsal; superficial, toward surface; deep, away from surface; medial, toward midline; lateral, away from midline; intermediate, between 2 points; ipsilateral, same side; contralateral, opposite side; proximal, near origin; distal, away from origin. So these are the different terminology. Directional: external, outer; internal, inner; central, periphery; parietal, visceral. Areas: head, neck, trunk, thorax, abdomen, pelvis and perineum, extremities or limb. terminology related to individual word. Adeno gland, adytus an opening, alveolus a deep narrow pit, ampulla sac-like dilatation of a canal or duct, anastomosis a communication between two or more vessels like venules and capillary. Ansa any structure in the form of loop or arch. Antrum a cavity. Annulus a ring shaped structure. Apex a conical pointed extremities. Aponeurosis a flat fibrous sheet. This term generally used in description of muscles. Arbor a structure resembling a tree. Arcuate bent like an arch like arcuate ligament. Arcuation curvature. Arcus arch, arc. Arthro joint. Auditory hearing. Azygous unpaired anatomical structure like azygous vein. In this way, today we completed anatomical terminology part 2. Rest term according to alphabet I will present in next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Use this term to write and practice many times, then you will able to use this term in anatomical study. Thank you.